Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to not suggest your TikTok account to your phone contact, because when you will turn off these options, your TikTok account will not suggest you to your phone contact, because sometime we want to hide our TikTok account to our phone contact. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the TikTok application. So when you will open the TikTok application, you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So after this, here is the options of three lines on the top right corner. So click on three lines. So after this, click on setting and privacy, and then here is the options of privacy. So click on privacy, and then click on suggest your account to other. So after this, you can see this option is on now. So when this option is on, your account will suggest to your phone contact. So when you will turn it off, so your account will not suggest to your phone contact. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.